And welcome in. This is Pam. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I have an unboxing from the As You Grow kit. My daughter is expecting her first child. Second daughter is expecting her first child. So I am doing an unboxing from something that I got from Stampin' Up! So I am taking it out of the box. I have not even opened it, but we're going to open it together. Let me turn my camera around. Oops. Alrighty. Great. I have all this here. I don't know what just fell. Oh man, there. Oh. Alrighty. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we go. Here is the kit. We're going to see what it is all about. I just saw that it looked like it was for someone that is expecting, and since I have a daughter that is expecting, and we did a baby reveal yesterday, and she is having a boy. So let's see what we've got in here. See what this little kit is. Goodness. See what all comes in this. Throw that in the trash. Okay, we got some washi tape. Some tear and tape. And let's see. I think this is a little book. Yes, there's that. Oh, I don't know. Oh, maybe. Yes, here is the little book. It opens up like that. And let's see what it has in here. Here's the instructions. My fingers aren't working here. Let's see what we got. So you put like a little pocket, and then coming home, and if it's my baby book, and you do if it's a girl or it's a boy. At least I hope it's a boy or girl. This says girl. Well, we'll see. Hopefully I think this has all the stuff in it. So there's the envelope. There's that. Let's see what else we got here. So we've got all of these. Oh, those aren't even in English. So we don't need any of those. Here's all the letters. Here's the little pockets. Here's the more letters. Oh, here's more letters. Here are some more little pockets. Here's some little tabs. And these are stickers, I can tell. They're stickers. They're kind of thick. They're stickers. And, oh, here's the hello, my name is first bath time. And then there's no sticker. Oh, these are some die cuts. I think this is more stickers. Oh, this is more die cuts. Here's numbers. Numbers, and those are all stickers too. Oh, here's the other one. Oh, that's in a different language too. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, little animals, little foxes. Of course, we need a hedgehog, but there's not a hedgehog there. Anyway, oh, here's some more little die cuts. There's some more little stickers. And here is some more little stickers. And I guess, oh, and then these are the little pages. Cool. 1, 2. Oh, I guess they go in like this. I'm guessing they go in like this. Let's see. Kind of like that. I'm guessing. Yeah. They go like that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you get more, but I think it needs more. Oh, here's the little front. I guess that's the front one, I guess. Oh, and does this one have a pocket too? A pocket. No pocket on that one and no pocket on the one I put in there. So I guess you can use whatever you want to coordinate. I guess these are just ideas you can do. Oh, so you want to put the pockets in there and then do this and this. That. Well, I think we'll get started on this one after the baby gets here. But we've got it going on. And look, I have an E. But this baby's name is not going to start with an E. Bummer. But anyway, I guess we'll either get started on it right away. I need to find out if there are more of these little sheets, because that's not going to be very thick, in my opinion. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all liked my unboxing. I may stop back on here in a few and make a sweet little card. So, but I don't have that ready. I just know I wanted to do an unboxing of that because I hadn't opened it. I did get it a while back. So, anyway, alrighty. Talk to you later. Bye.